Hi guys, you can already see I am in the most beautiful and exclusive luxury bamboo resort here in Bali, Indonesia. I can't wait to show you around because actually we are the first staying in this beautiful 2-bedroom villa, and this resort has few more villas available if you ever come here. We are staying at Eco Six Bali, and right now I'm going to show you around. I'm going to show you the villa where we're staying. I'm going to show you all the facilities here in this resort, but also I'm going to show you how it is to actually stay in this resort, because the most unique thing about this resort is the view on the volcano. And tomorrow morning we are waking up at sunrise to have the magical touch. So right now we are staying in the entrance of our 2-bedroom villa, and if you come in, so you have this beautiful living space with a beautiful infinity pool, which basically has 2 lounges on the side. View on the jungle is insane, but once I will take you upstairs, you will feel why I say insane, because you feel like I'm in the middle of the jungle, and this is such a unique experience to be here and experience all this. And now we will visit one of the 2-bedroom. So basically we have this beautiful bedroom over here. There's also a bathroom on the back. On this side also have the jacuzzi tub. This huge mirror, so if you are a girl, you're probably gonna love that. And you have the stairs, which basically leads you upstairs. So just follow me. It is made by bamboo, and this is such a unique thing because in Bali there's so much bamboo, and they were able to build all this and make it look like super luxury. I love the idea, I love the style, but also like I actually don't feel like I'm staying in a bamboo house, which is something uncommon, because when you are staying in a bamboo house, especially here in Bali, full of bugs, and it's very hard to not get bit by a mosquito. Instead, right now we've been staying and hanging here for around already half day, and we didn't see any bugs. If you come in this area, we have a huge living space. Basically we have a sofa, and then we have also a dining table on the back, and then if you turn around you have this beautiful net where you can chill. And this is what we're going to do tomorrow morning at sunrise. We're just gonna watch the sunrise, and over there right now you can't see it, but actually there is the Mount Agung. So the view you can imagine is actually beautiful and exclusive. And another thing is that you have the jungle in front of you as well, but also here you have fast Wi-Fi, which is something that you actually don't get anywhere else when you go in a bamboo house. Also you have another jacuzzi over there. It's basically available for anyone that is staying in this resort, and you can actually also experience some floating breakfast in the morning. And another beautiful thing about this resort is actually they don't have a restaurant, but they have only room service and dining in your private villa, so you feel super private. You feel that touch of privacy and luxury experience, because the food will be served directly into your villa, and you can have a special menu which is available on WhatsApp, so they will communicate to you through WhatsApp. And this is make everything easier, because if you just want to order a drink, you can just chat with the reception and they will come here and serve for you whatever you need. So the breakfast just arrived in our bill, and for today we ordered some pancakes, some smashed avocado toast, and smoothie bowls, cappuccinos. Then we also have nasi goreng, if you're local. And I'll see you at the next adventure, and don't forget to subscribe right now if you like this vlog, if you want to see all my vlogs and all my future vlogs, and if you have any question for me, please leave a comment below. Ciao.